Welcome back, YouTube. Today is a great day to be different. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna show you guys how to be different, and we're gonna start off by man. So we have a package, as you can see right here, and you guys know what that means. Yes, sir. You guys know. All right. We have some custom FX clippers, trimmers, and charging docks. All right. So, any women out there that's looking to get your man that is a barber something different this year, but this is where it's at, man. You at the right spot, you at the right page. You have found the gold. Yes, sir. These are crazy. If you know your man's favorite color, if you're trying to get your man freaky this year for the holidays, well, this will do it for you right here. This gonna work. We about to bust this open, man. I can't wait for this. This is the beginning of something different. We are starting off something different, man. 2024. As you guys know, I have been doing haircut tutorials. So this is just another investment towards my videos, another investment towards the cosmetics of videos. Very, very important. So we went with something that is gonna pop on camera, it's gonna pop on pictures, it's gonna pop on thumbnails, and something that's going to represent me as well. So the people that when I'm standing behind the camera as I'm recording, you guys can get a little taste of me. You know what I'm saying? Visually, you might not be able to see my face, but you can see a little something about what I'm about just by the clippers that I'm holding. All right. So yeah, we're gonna hit you guys with a couple angles. We're gonna show you what to expect when yo man. I know, cause I know y'all out there, y'all gonna see this and y'all gonna be like, I'm gonna give my man that, cause my man, he ain't been doing what he used to do when we first met. So I need him to get like that. These gonna do that for you. This gonna do that for him. This gonna get that man a little free, a little freaky. One of these boxes, one of these boxes with the custom FX sticker on it and a bottle of wine. It's gonna get your man freaky. All right. So we're gonna show y'all. We're gonna go ahead and start unboxing this before it get a little too hot in here. I want to show you guys my address, so we're gonna bust it open from the bottom. Oh, snap. Yes, sir. Here go the dock. Here go the charging docks. Let's see what this is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys can see that right there. Now I'm gonna give you guys a better look when we switch angles in here in a second. But man, just from the presentation, this box is beautiful. I think the white, they went crazy with these white boxes. Very nice, all metal, premium. These open. Yes, sir. Here go the charging docks. Can't really tell, but this isn't as premium, but I understand why. All right. Thank God. And then I guess based off the sizes, you can see there's two different sizes. One smaller box, one bigger box. I would assume this goes with the trimmer. This one's gonna go with the clipper. What else do we have in the box? At this time, we got some hair clips, not clips, but hair patches. It's gonna stick the hair back. Another comb, very handy. That's gonna help for clipper over comb. We got a little, I don't know, advertisement pad. May look at that later, may not, don't really care. And then we have a sticker. Not gonna use that, not gonna lie to you. But that's pretty much it. That's all that came in the box, besides a bunch of bubble wrap. So yeah, we about to get into ripping these things open, get into hitting some angles, man. I can't wait. It's gonna be great. You guys are gonna love the footage. You guys are gonna love these angles because I'm about to go crazy. So hope you guys enjoy this part. It's gonna be nothing but angles. And man, yes sir, let's get it going. Welcome to the unboxing stage. Jeez. I waited a long time for this. Took me a little minute to get these. And then I held on to them for a little bit longer, just so you guys can experience this unboxing with me. Look at it though. We're gonna get right into it. Yes, sir. Got the name on it. Got the name tatted so they know it's real. They go to back for all the nerds, all the specs. We don't care. Let's get inside. Yes, sir. Ugh. My first initial impressions is these things feel great. They look great. Man, the details on this is crazy. The chameleon blade, beautiful. The chameleon badge, you can't really tell, but the badge, the Babbless badge is chameleon, so it does change colors just like the blade does. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clean. The rubber grip, definitely my favorite part of the clippers. Let's see what's in this box. You guys get to see what these things come with. We don't need that. Don't need that. What's in this? Just like you use. You got your oil. You got your clipper guards. You got your charger. We don't need the box. And that super, super long charger is crazy. Here we go with the trimmers. Yes, sir. Oh, I got the name tatted on it too. You guys see the date. And there go the specs. For all the nerds. Man. Let's get inside this. We don't need that. Ugh. Yes, sir. Again, this was supposed to come with the rubber grip as well. Nothing Babbless did wrong. Obviously, it's my fault. I put the wrong grip on there. But it looks just as good. We have the rubber grip coming, so no big deal. We're gonna swap that out to match the clippers. But yes, sir, I went with the gold blade on here. And man, details is crazy. Rip that off. Fire. Fire. Yes, sir. Let's see what's in this box. Ugh. Same thing. Don't need that. Don't need that. What's in here? You got your charger. You have your zero gapping tool, and you have some oil. And here we go with the basis. Here we go with the charging docks, and came out just as good as the clippers. Very, very surprised on how pretty these look. Excuse the fingerprints, but man, fire. This one's for the trimmer. It's the smaller one, but we're gonna set that down and we're gonna unbox this bigger one. This is for the clipper. Same thing, just as pretty, but it works. Yes, sir. Insane. Yup. Just like that. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of these angles. And I'm gonna let you know exactly how I feel at the end of these transitions. All right, well, you guys seen the angles, man. You guys see the angles? Yeah, we got them right here. So, man, I'm looking super forward to putting these in front of the camera. It's gonna go crazy, but we got a few things before we even get there. One, we are gonna go all out on these as much as I can, as much as I possibly can. I'm gonna try to customize these as beautiful as I could possibly get them. We're gonna upgrade them as much as I could possibly get them upgraded. We're gonna go crazy on these, right? So what we got in the works, we have a Tomb 45 upgrade coming. We have a couple blade swaps I'm gonna do on these. I know that these, especially the clippers, came with this chameleon blade. I don't really like the Babyliss clipper blades, so we're gonna swap that. I already have a replacement for that. So very much like how the trimmers are gold, we are going to make this gold, and I'm gonna swap that out. We will have a video for that later on down the line on how to swap your Babyliss blades if anybody's interested in that. If anybody cares to swap out their Babyliss blades. Also, one thing that I am very disappointed in myself, this was supposed to come with a rubber grip. I could have sworn I did it over and over and over and over again to make sure that this thing had the rubber grip on both of them, right? Just like this, rubber grip crazy. But it did not come with the rubber grip. I'm very, very disappointed. So I reached out to Babyliss, and hopefully they can respond back and send me that rubber grip. All I need is the handle. I do not need a new replacement. I don't need nothing. Brand new out of the box. Pull off a couple screws, and we're going to swap out this handle. Hopefully, if they allow me to, waiting on their response. Yeah, we're going to turn these things into some hitters, and we're going to turn these things into some KriispyKing specials, man. Beautiful. I really, really like this, especially the combination with the charging dock. The base is crazy. The base is crazy. I didn't realize the base was going to come out looking that nice. I didn't realize these clippers were going to come out looking this nice, period. But yeah, they went crazy on this. Other than that, you guys stay tuned on the process, the build on making sure that these custom FX are as custom as they could possibly be. We're going to make some powerhouses. So I'm looking for those comments at the bottom. It's like, bro, how'd you get your clippers like that? Because I ain't telling nobody. I'm not telling nobody what I did. It's going to be a secret forever. Okay. Yes, sir. But yeah, appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of these clippers. Let me know. I know you guys are going to like this, hopefully. Let me know what you think about the setup. Let me know what you think about the angles. Let me know what you think about the color. Let me know what you think about anything. I don't care. Just let me know, man. Yes, sir. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Whatever you got to do to keep me on your timeline, man. Crispy, man. We out of here. Peace.